We filed written submissions, and why we came today, court wanted to ask us some questions for clarification. But court does not have any questions. They wanted to ask us for clarification. So they will be just calling us back for judgment. So they are going to write their judgment. So the judgment will be on notes. They will be telling us, and then we'll be coming back to court to receive that judgment.
So to come back next time in big numbers.
Yeah, of course we've been in this struggle. I expect that even another time when the notice is out, that you will also be coming back. Thank you.
The petitioners were challenging the acts and omissions of the government of not providing the very basic and minimum health care for expectant mothers and their children. The meager allocation of resources to maternal health care, the negligence of health professionals, which in several instances had led and continues to lead to loss of lives of both mothers and their newborn. That petition was unfortunately dismissed by the Constitutional Court on grounds that the issues raised in the petition fell under the category of the so-called political doctrine, that issues of allocating resources to the health sector, issues of medical care, were issues for the executive to determine and not for the courts to inquire into. So the merits of the petition were not adjudicated upon by the Constitutional Court. And that's what led to Constitutional Appeal number 1. After several setbacks and delays, the court ordered the parties to file written submissions. And today, the court, having received all the submissions from the appellants and the Attorney General, has reserved its judgment on a date to be notified to the parties. We can only hope that it will be fairly soon, so that we know the decision of the Supreme Court on this very important legal principle, whether the political question doctrine can be invoked to stop the courts in this country to adjudicate on people's rights and freedoms, including the right to maternal health. So we really hope for the best, and we shall keep waiting for the judgment.